Okay.
I remember the
Guys, just listening up. We're going to do pentatonic scales. So you've learnt how to write a major scale. You've learnt how to use the circular fifths to apply a key signature so that you can write a major scale. Now we're going to do major pentatonic, and the only difference with major pentatonic is it's missing 2 notes. Okay? So the only thing you really need to remember is which notes they are missing. Now if you look at your picture of a keyboard in your book on page 18, you'll see you've got C, D, E, then you're missing F. Then you've got G and A, then you're missing B, and then you've got C. And then if you look just above there, it's got 1, 2, 3, it skips number 4, you've got 5 and 6, then it skips number 7. So all you need to remember to write out one of these scales is that you need to remove number 4 and number 7. Okay, and then everything that you've just learned is applicable here too. The way I'd approach this in an exam is I'd do your key signature, write your notes out in pencil, and then rub out the 2 that you don't need with an eraser. Job's done. Yep, easy. There's nothing wrong with doing that.
That's cheeky.
So
cheeky.
I have written my scale, my F major scale, number it.
So you can remember it.
When I number it, guys, just something to remember. The amount of times I've had stressed, perhaps tired students do an extra note, do 9 notes, or do 7 notes in an exam. It blows my mind. Alright? Practice counting to 8. And better still,
musicians can't count on chords.
you won't get marked down for writing the numbers underneath. Write the numbers underneath. Yeah? It's not going to have any impact on your grade. And then you can just check. Now which ones do I need to take out?
The 4th and the 7th.
4 and 7. Bang. And voila, I have a major pentatonic scale. Job's done.
So the what's that? The F major scale doesn't have anything. It's just
Doesn't have any sharps in it because it's missing the 4th note.
You're talking about the key signature.
Yeah. So
Good question. Yep. Guys, that's a good question. So, with F major, notice how it doesn't have a B in it. Therefore, that flat is really sitting there sort of redundant. Now, because it's F major, you can rightly put that key signature there, have it there, even though it's not being used, that answer is still correct. Alright? My suggestion is you put the key signature in, then you can't go wrong. Okay? And you don't have to muck around with accidentals. However, in this instance, if I was to remove that, if I was to take the key signature out, it is still correct. Okay? So you can do it either way, but I suggest use your circle fifths, write the key signature in, you're less likely to get tripped up.
If we were to keep the key signature there, are people able to edit scale? Like if they just halfway through a song randomly to change the mood or something, put a key in that isn't in the scale, does that change the scale?
Yeah,
or is that just putting in the extra note in full on?
So you're doing a song, you're going along in F major and you're playing these 3 notes, then you put a B flat in.
Yeah, does that then become the F major rather than the F major pentatonic?
Yep, they've used a note from the F major scale. Yep. Any other questions on that?
Can we listen to the guitar riff in My Girl by The Temptations?
Sure. Well.